Hello friends, in this video tutorial I share how I use Google Adsense in WordPress using code snippet. Google Adsense can be added to any blog, any website. It helps to monetize your website. And if you are not directly selling any products on your website and offering free content, for example, free images, free software, free games, maybe free ads, classified ads, etc., then you can monetize your WordPress or your website with Google AdSense. It's an additional monetization, and if you are a business owner and if you earn directly from clients, then Google AdSense is not for you because it will distract your visitors and distract their attention, and your visitors will not convert well, they will not become your client, so it is not helpful to have Google AdSense in that case. It all depends on your website and on your goal. So let's say you want to add a Google AdSense to your WordPress website. You can do it using code snippet. First, you need to go to Google AdSense website and register there. Then add your website to Google AdSense, and once get approved, you can use code from Google AdSense and add it to your website. I already registered and I am using AdSense for a very long time. So let's see my AdSense. So this is AdSense screen. Navigate from the menu to ads section. Here you will see ads by site, by ad unit. I'm generally using ads by site. To get code, click this button and this is the code. You can click copy. Now we need to add this code to our WordPress website. Navigate to WordPress. I'm using code snippets plugin. It's already installed and activated. Navigate it from menu. Click on all snippets. Here we want to add a JavaScript snippet, so let's clone this one. Then edit it. Name it AdSense. And paste our copied script here. Like this. Now instead of WP head, we want to put it in footer. So we type here footer. Remove this description, we don't need it. And in text we can say AdSense for better finding it later. Here is our add ID code. It's already inside that script, so we can save it and activate. So this is the default way of adding Google AdSense to your website. It will show, you can say, only run on front end, so it will show only on front end. You don't need to show AdSense inside your admin. So that's one option to remember. And save snippet. And this way of adding AdSense is a bit slow down your website because it starts directly downloading and executing this script without waiting other parts of your website to load. If you want to optimize page load time, then you can delay this script by a little bit. So I have an optimized version of it. To get that code snippet, navigate to my website webpa.com/gas-code. I'll post a link in description. And this is default version of Google Analytics. And here is optimized version. Let's copy it. And paste it here. So once we pasted code, you see this placeholder. This should be replaced with real Google Adsense ID. So navigate to AdSense code and copy this ID, then paste it here. Now we have real ID, and this is time that we want to delay. It's in milliseconds, so it's 1.5 seconds. So page content like images, fonts, like colors, everything will be loaded, and after 1.5 seconds, this Google AdSense code will be loaded to the page. So it will not delay our main content, our main website content, and ads will show only after this amount of time. So this is a little optimization which will help you to speed up your website while showing Google AdSense code on it. So we can save this snippet. So here in Google AdSense, I can show how it looks on which settings I use. So this is automated ad placement. I use both versions, like automated and manual version. And here is statistics. So generally automated ads earn more than manual, because with manual you have to individually add those ad code into strategically place them into your page, and it's time consuming and you always need to optimize it, so it takes a lot of time to monitor, and it's not worth it. So the automated version always beats manual version. As you can see here, blue line is automated earnings. It's on the same website, on this website, and same amount of code used in manual and automated, so at the same time, but it's still automated earns more. You can see from here. I use automated with Vignette ads, and I don't use any other ads because I don't want my website to be crowded with ads and distract a lot. Vignette ads shows only when users click on link, and before loading other page it shows full page ad, big ad, so users can click on ad if they are interested, or they can skip it and navigate to other page that they were navigating initially. So on this page all your websites will be listed, and I will show you which settings I am using for Vignette ads. So I select auto ads, check, and then I uncheck all other options, like I uncheck this, I uncheck in-page formats as well, and I check only overlay formats and only Vignette ads, because I don't want to show on site, I don't want to show on Anchor. So Vignette ads is enough for me. So it can be different for other websites, but this is my preference and I am happy with this version. So I use only this one, and I uncheck all other options here, then apply to the site. Also with Vignette ad I show them on desktops as well, so on wide screens I show it by clicking this, and I show it every 5 minutes, for example. You can say every 10 minutes, depends on you. So save changes, and that's it. That's all settings you need to use with auto ads. And on some websites, on most websites, I use only auto ads and I don't bother with manual ads. Manual ads were I was using before and I didn't touch them. I am still using them, but I'm preferring using auto ads. So once you add it, your ads will show up when you switch from one page to another page. Also on manual locations, if you added them, So this is manual ad that I add on this page, and it shows like this. And auto ad will show automatically, and Google will calculate when to show it, which ad to show. So it's all automated without you worrying about it. That's how you use Google AdSense and add it to your WordPress website using code snippet. And adding ads and analytics can slow down your page speed. I have a checklist that I use on all my websites to get 90+ page speed score on mobiles and on desktops as well. And you can download it from my website webpa.com/speed. It's simple PDF checklist, free. You can follow those steps and increase page speed for your WordPress website. Also, I have a video that optimizes Google AdSense and analytics code, and in that video I show how I get page speed score 100. You can watch that video next. Thank you for watching. See you in that video.